If you are wondering if there is macro mode available on a Nothing Phone 3a, then the answer is unfortunately no. We do not have dedicated macro mode, and it is actually pretty difficult to take macro photos because usually we can keep the distance between the camera and the macro object that we want to capture, and by using the camera zoom we can somewhat make pretty good macro photos. However, in this case it seems to be even more difficult because if you try to do so, then unfortunately the focus is lost. So you need to either just keep even bigger or you need to keep more distance between the object and the camera in order to try to capture the macro photo. And you also need to use quite a bit of zoom, which is really not that great because you lose the quality, of course. And that is the only way to take macro photos on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!